Okay, today I'm gonna talk to you with the microchip. The microchip is an important circuit devices because it's very important in all deposit devices, electronic devices, right? Let me let me tell you to you a short definition, a short meaning about the microchip. A microchip is a very small piece of the silicon inside computer. It has electronic circuit in each and hard larger quantify of the information on performing mathematical and logical operations, right? This is the meaning of the microchip. Let me continue. The microchip is very important for the electronic industry because it's a prime of the all electronic devices used in the cars, smartphone, PC, military industry, and earth and electronic device, right? So there are two major ways to categorize the microchip by functionality and type of the integrated circuit. In the inter of the circuit, a chip can be analog, digital, or mixed. The difference between analog and digital function has to do with the electronic signal that they process. In the digital chip, the signals are binary, right? Are binary. In an analog chip, the signals are continuous, meaning they can take on any value within a given range, and they use the more traditional circular element, resistor, capacitor, and occasionally inductor. In the term of the functionality, there are four main categories: logic chip, memory chip, application and specific integrated chip, and system on a chip device. Two most common type of the chip, logic chip and memory chip, are digital. They manipulate, store a and bit and byte using transistor and are mainly mix of the analog digital. This is very important. And look at this in that picture, imagine on the micros, right? And simply integrated. Let me tell you about the most advanced microchip today. In 2022, TSMC, let me start here. A TSMC is a Taiwan manufacturing semiconductor. It's a biggest company that produce microchip in the world. It's a bigger than Intel and Nvidia, another and industry of the microchip, right? Let me continue. In 2022, TSMC, Taiwan manufacturing semiconductor, be the foundry to start the 3 nanometer. Let me explain to you. The microchip is is a side about the nanometer, right? The nanometer is a side of the microchip, right? So in the high nanometer is the or microchip, right? The microchip. But if the nanometer is uh, short, that the power of the microchip is high, you know, it's the most intelligent, most uh, capability, and something like that. In 2022, the TSMC lead the foundry from the start 3 nanometer technology high the volume production. TSMC a nanometer process is the industry the most advanced semiconductor in the technology, offering between best power, performance, and area, and is full non done advanced from the 5 nanometer generation. Following in the 3 nanometer technology, TSMC introduced the 3 nanometer and TMP, hence and 2 nanometer process for better power, performance, and density, and the 3 have received the multiple takeoff and started volume production in the called Q23. TSMC will further expand its 3 nanometer technology family to meet devices to customer demand. These include um, 3A N3A process trailer for high performance computing application and very early start to mobilize applications in the most advanced silicon technology. Technology will be qualified and ready in the 2025, 26, excuse me, 26. And as I told you, the nanometer of the three dimension is the most powerful of the microchip system. It's used for a smart computer, a smartphone, intelligent car, or a smart car, and useful too in the industry and the military industry, right? The microchip, the microchips are very important for the all uh, medical and electronic devices. So about the geopolitics is very important because and the larger economy in the world, they are fighting for the production of the micro. For example, in 2022, United States, the by the government found a fund about the uh, thousand on the million of dollars uh, for the teacher and produce microchip by in United States. In China to China to be the same mention, right? For increase the microchip production in the country, right? So the microchip is very important for the technology industry.